Welcome to the Learn English with Petra channel. In today's video, we're going to listen to an 50 English dialogues for beginners. Let's get into the video. Hi. How are you?
I'm good, thanks. How about you?
What's your name?
My name is Sam.
How old are you?
I'm 25 years old.
What's your favorite color?
I like blue.
Do you have any brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have one sister.
What do you like to eat for breakfast?
I usually have cereal and milk.
What's the weather like today?
It's sunny and warm.
What time is it?
It's 3 o'clock.
What day is it today?
Today is Monday.
Which month is your birthday in?
My birthday is in August.
What do you like to do in your free time?
I enjoy reading books.
How do you get to work or school?
I take the bus.
What's your favorite subject in school?
I like math.
What would you like to order?
I'll have a cheeseburger, please.
Where do you like to shop for clothes?
I usually shop at the mall.
Do you play any sports?
Yes, I play soccer.
What's your favorite movie?
I love The Lion King.
Have you been on a vacation recently?
Yes, I went to the beach last month.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a cat named Whiskers.
What are your plans for the weekend?
I'm going to visit my grandparents.
How do you stay healthy?
I eat fruits and vegetables.
Can you describe your best friend?
She has long brown hair and blue eyes.
What do you need to buy at the grocery store?
I need to buy milk and bread.
Why are you here today?
I have a sore throat and a fever.
Do you want to go to the movies on Saturday?
Yes, that sounds like fun.
When does the movie start?
It starts at 7 p.m.
Where do you live?
I live in an apartment.
Which season do you like the most?
I love summer because I can go to the beach.
What do you do for a living?
I work as a teacher.
What do you usually do on New Year's Eve?
I watch the fireworks with my family.
Great job, learners! I trust you had a good time during today's listening and practicing English conversation. If you found the video enjoyable, kindly hit the like button and consider subscribing to my channel. Let me know in the comments which topic you'd like to focus on in the future. Wishing you a fantastic day, every day.